Haven, fully furnished studio apartments at Nerul, Coco Beach, North Goa, starting from 62 lakhs at a short rental up to rupees 20,000. Terms and conditions apply.
Activities of touting, selling of cruise boat tickets or any other tickets of tourism activities in the open from places other than from authorized ticketing counters or offices in all tourist places. Activities जे बॅगर जे सगळ्यांची कंप्लेन आशिल्ली activities pertaining to bagging of arms in all tourist places and causing annoyance to the public. Activities related to selling of items goods from unauthorized handcarts, movable carts or unauthorized hawkers. Hawkers, agents, service providers shall not in any manner impede the free movement of tourists. जे हॉकर परत परत वचून टुरिस्टांक त्रास करता बिचार बाकी कडेन तांकां त्रास करता आनी दे आर नॉट एबल टू हॅव अ प्रॉपर एक्सपिरियन्स तांकां जे टुरिस्टाक कंपेल करता आपल्या कडल्यान कितें तरी घेवचें तांचेर एक्शन जावंक शकता. Unauthorized selling of water sports tickets packages to tourists for services to be offered outside Goa in places like Malvan or Karwar हांगाच्यान जे जाता ते बंद जावचे पडटले. Activities related to illegal placement of beach beds, deck beds and other items on the beaches of the beaches without holding any valid permissions that तांचेर एक्शन जातले. Unauthorized driving of unauthorized vehicle driving on the beaches जे ह्या दिसांनी पळयत आमी आयल्या ताजेर एक्शन जातले. Consumption of liquor in open and breaking of bottles in tourist places हाजेर एक्शन जातले. आज नवें सुरू जाला जे टुरिस्ट येता we believe in responsible and sustainable tourism. पूण आज नवी प्रथा सुरू जाल्या. टुरिस्ट दर्यान येतात डॉमेस्टीक ऑर वॉट एवर बियरीच्यो बाटल्यो वाऱ्यान फोडटात आनी ते सगळे बाटल्यो पडटा उदकान. We have asked the Chief Minister to also hold a joint meeting with the Tourism Department and Excise to find a way out to ensure that the bottle deposit system also starts in where they are able to take the bottles back. हांगा पार्टिसिपेशन एखादी सगळ्या कंपनीचे जाय पडटलें पूण इम्पॉर्टंट इज द स्टार्ट आनी हे एक्टिविटीज लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स वी हॅव बीन कंटिन्युअसली टॉकिंग अबाउट. आज आमी कायदो सारको नाशिल्ल्यान there was a backdoor entry. So illegal activities carried out by the touts who are illegal in the trade ते immediately बंद जावपाची गरज आसा आनी ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान section 188 of the IPC allows the police to immediately act and arrest if required and तांकां फायन ज्यो डिफायन केल्या त्यो सायजेबल केल्या so that we are able to ensure that we demotivate this type of people spoiling the name of Goa as a tourism destination. हे माध्यम आता फुडें वता आसतना we will use social media, digital platforms and media to ensure that we are able to circulate and percolate this in various parts so that awareness is built up as far as this particular order is concerned. ही ऑर्डर खूप महत्वाची आशिल्ली गोंयच्या टुरिझम क्षेत्रान सुरू जाता आसतना as we have challenges of picking up the numbers and the type of quality tourist. This order will help us create this backbone as we start getting our act right as far as the tourism season is concerned. So ते आमचे सगळे वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स भावांक तांचे एक्टिविटीज जावं बाकीचे एक्टिविटी जे चालू आसा ते तांकां हेल्प करपाक जेन्ना आमी रेडी आसात and we are putting systems in place for them. I would call upon all my friends who are from the industry as stakeholders to help us get this order executed in the right direction, stop illegalities and promote Goa as a proper touristic place which we can in the long run talk about quality tourists as we have been talking as a vision document to come into the state which will help us for employment and help us for the industry in terms of economy. See, we are already working with KPMG. We are having the Goa Tourism Board. Unlike earlier, we have activated the Goa Tourism Board which is having people from the government and people from the industry, also represented experts from the industry, representation from TTAG, CII, Goa Chamber, everybody. In this, we are also contemplating post-COVID, since the tourism has changed, we need to go back to the master plan, we need to go back to the policy and see what changes we need to make in terms of further growth as far as tourism is concerned. एक वाटेन मोपा आसा, एक वाटेन दाबोली आसा. एक वाटेन we are pertinently looking at very focused markets only of UK and of Russia. So it is now time to see a difference of tourists. We need to look at East, where we are talking about Poland, we are talking about Czechoslovakia, here countries, we are talking about South Korea, we are talking about USA, we are talking about Japan, which these tourists how also inflow वाडोवपाचो आणि not just be dependent all the time into UK and Russia market. I can today say that first time after 20 years, WTM London आम्ही वचूना. ऑपोजिशन असताना आम्ही इश्यू घेतिल्लो न्ही. हांव आतां त्याच जे ऑपोजिशनांतले लोक विचारतात तांकां हें उत्तर दिता. IITM पॅरीस आशिल्लें सप्टेंबरान आमी वचूना. आमी फक्त सिंगापूर गेले कित्याक सिंगापूर वॉज अ मार्केट टू एक्सप्लोर. जेन्ना UK मार्केट ओपन जातलें एंड वी नो UK इज ओपनिंग अप, दॅट इज द टायम वील थिंक अबाउट रोड शोज इन UK बिकॉज वी आर सिरियसली लुकिंग एट व्हेरी सिरियस बिजनस फॉर ओपनिंग न्यू मार्केट्स. कित्याक जे चॅलेंजीस आमकां आज गोंयांत आसा तातूंत डॉमेस्टिकाचेर आनी इंटरनॅशनलाक तितलोच भर दिवचो पडटलो. आज मोपा येतकर यू हॅव सो मेनी न्यू प्लेसीस वीच वील ओपन अप अ स्टेयर 2 cities. तांकां थंय वचून टुरिजम प्रमोट कर फॉर डॉमेस्टीक तें करचें पडटलें. सो वी नीड टू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एंड रिवायझींग द ओवरऑल मास्टर प्लॅन वीच वी आर. जे लोक अपोज करता तांकां आमी ऑलरेडी 31 ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत तुवें पॉलिसी मॅटर्स प्रॉब्लेम जाला इट्स फ्लेवर ऑफ द सिजन. अनफॉर्च्युनेटली नवे आमदार जे आयल्या तांचे कडल्यान तरी अपेक्षा आशिल्ली कित्याक लास्ट असेंब्ली दे हॅड डन सम गूड जॉब. सो ते जे टॉपीक उलोवंक लागले म्हाका भंय जाला की इन डेमोक्रेसी इट इज अ रायट ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन टू रेज देअर वॉयस आनी तांणी करचोच बट नॉट मिसगायड द पब्लीक. आज सद्या जे चल्लां इज फॉर दॅट स्पेस ऑफ ऑपोजिशन which some people are fighting for. They are creating and misguiding the public, which I think I can only share my regrets. As far as policies are concerned, we have 31 ऑक्टोबर पर्यंत जितले आयले आमी ऑलरेडी आमच्या टिमाक सांगला कंपायल करपाक स्टार्ट कर. जितले आयल्या खुबश्यो पॉलिसीन जे कोणें ऑब्जेक्शन घाल्या इज कॉपी स्टीक पेस्ट. लेटर्ड वेगळे कॉपी स्टीक पेस्ट तुमकां जाय जाल्यार शेरूय करता. म्हणजे डॉक्युमेंट्स फक्त थोड्याच लोकांनी कशे कितले करपाक घेतल्या बट वी वेलकम देम. We will work on them. Good suggestions we will incorporate and the final policy will come, which will only be for tourism activities. पयलीं ते अपोज करताले. पयलीं कोळसो म्हणलो, पयलो फिशिंग जेटी, पयलीं रामपोणकार म्हणले. पर आयकूंक आयलें की इट इज इन द ज्युरिस्डिक्शन ऑफ कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स. हांव चिंतपाक उरलो आतां कितें उलोवंक सोदता. समबडी फ्रॉम कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स हांकां आतां गायड करपाक लागला काय म्हणून प्रश्न पडला. वेदर इट्स बिकम अ इंटर डिपार्टमेंटल इशू काय म्हणून. वी आर क्लियर इन अवर थॉट प्रोसेस and as we go ahead we will keep talking to you and we will invite the opposition members also and clarify their doubts to the objections they have raised.